Good stance. Don't take lousy shots and keep your elbows in. Stay low because he's going to take shots on you. He likes that low single like I told you if you remember.
Luke! Hey Luke!
Sucker drag.
Luke!
Don't get behind you.
Isn't that only 76 and
Don't get behind you, good. Circle out, and drag that. You can drag it like I showed you. That's right there, the drag. Right there's that drag. You're not doing it. That's where you would do it. Keep your elbows in. Don't get taken down. Keep your head off the mat. Head off the mat. Work to stand up. Get hand control. Get your head off the mat. So your head's on the mat right there. Get your head off the mat. He's trying to armbar you. Keep your head off the mat. Look away, look away, look away. Oh, you didn't look away. Didn't look away. It's alright. Up, hold it. Alright, you still made it. Alright, so when he hits a half Nelson on you like that, you have to look away and peel it off. He's manhandling you and you're letting it happen.
I know.
Alright, it's going to be your choice. Take neutral. I hope you take neutral. Neutral. I don't defer. Alright. You gotta break him down. Do that breakdown where you grab his ankle and grab his thighs. Fast. Pull him in. Good, 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 good. Run him off the mat. Oh. Off your knees. You're on your knees. See how you're on your knees. Your head's on the mat too. Get your head off the mat. Go forward, not backward. You're going backward. Your head, sucker, drag that, drag that, drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it. Can't wrestle like that, buddy. Okay, bring it in. Oh. Get your head off the mat. Get your head off the mat. Keep your elbows in. Get hand control. Head off the mat. Look away, look away, look away, look away, look away, look away and peel. Look away and peel. Oh, you didn't look away. That's what's going to happen. Right there. Look at that shot. Alright, third period, neutral. Neutral. Oh, don't go down. Don't let him go down. Oh. Don't reach back. Oh, there goes that cradle. Yeah, you gave him that one right there. Come on, get your head off the mat. Your head's sitting there on the mat. Get your head off. Look away, look away, look away, look away, look away. Don't look into it. You're looking into it. He's going to turn you.